In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Claude AI app. We will start on desktop, then move to mobile, so you can use Claude wherever you are with the same account and your chat synced. Begin on your computer by opening your web browser and going to claude.com/download. This is the official page for Claude Desktop, so it's the safest place to get the installer. On that page, choose the version that matches your operating system. If you are on a Mac, pick the Mac download. If you are on Windows, choose Windows. Here is also an option for Windows on ARM64 devices. If you have a newer Windows device with an ARM-based processor, select that build. If you are unsure, standard Windows users can simply choose the regular Windows installer. After the file finishes downloading, open it to start installation. On a Mac, you will see a .dmg file. Double-click to open it, then, if prompted, drag the Claude app into your Applications folder. On Windows, you'll get a .exe file. Double-click it, approve any security prompts so the installer can make changes, and follow the on-screen steps. The installer will place Claude Desktop in the appropriate location for you. Once installation completes, launch Claude Desktop. You will be prompted to sign in. Choose to sign in with your email or with your Google account, whichever you prefer. Using the same account across devices is the best way to keep your chat history consistent. So remember what you use here. Now let's set up the mobile app. On iPhone, open the Apple App Store. On Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Claude by Anthropic and look for the official app from Anthropic. This helps you avoid lookalike apps. Tap Install or Get, and wait for the download to complete. Then open the app and log in with the same account you used on desktop to instantly access your existing chats and preferences. A few quick tips as you go. Use a stable internet connection for both downloading and signing in. Confirm you are on the official download page before installing desktop software. And always verify the developer name in the App Store. If you ever run into issues, restarting your device and trying the sign in again often clears temporary glitches. And that's it. Thanks for watching.